2800 BCE. Civil engineering in the Harappan civilization. The Harappan civilization, flourishing around 2800 BCE in the Indus Valley, represents one of humanity's earliest experiments in urban life and sophisticated statecraft. Occupying what is today Pakistan and northwest India, this civilization is heralded for its remarkable advancements in urban planning, architecture, and hydraulic engineering. As we delve into the heart of the Harappan society, we uncover the ingenuity of an ancient people whose innovations laid the groundwork for future urban developments worldwide. The fertile plains of the Indus Valley, cradled by the monsoon winds and nourished by the Indus River, provided a rich agricultural base that supported early settlement and growth. This bountiful environment was a cradle for civilization, fostering the conditions necessary for the emergence of complex societies. Before the grandeur of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, the region saw the rise of Neolithic settlements like Mehrgarh, one of the earliest farming villages of South Asia. These preludes to urbanization featured gradual advancements in agriculture, animal husbandry, and craft production, setting the stage for the urban revolution that was to follow. The transition to urban centers was propelled by a combination of factors. Enhanced agricultural techniques and surplus production led to population growth and increased trade with distant regions, including Mesopotamia. Innovations in craft production, metallurgy, and the organization of labor facilitated the development of complex societal structures. Perhaps spurred by climate changes, these communities began to consolidate, forming the first urban centers of the Harappan civilization. The cities of the Harappan civilization were marvels of ancient urban planning, reflecting a level of sophistication that was unprecedented for its time. The meticulous layout of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, with their grid-patterned streets and standardized building materials, showcases a highly organized and thoughtful approach to city design. Harappan cities were planned with remarkable precision. Streets were laid out in a grid pattern, intersecting at right angles, and were wide enough to accommodate the flow of both people and carts. This systematic approach facilitated efficient movement throughout the city and demonstrated an early understanding of urban logistics and community organization. The use of uniformly sized baked bricks in construction is a testament to the Harappan's engineering prowess. These bricks, made from the alluvial clay of the Indus River, were used in everything from homes to public buildings, ensuring durability and protection against the region's harsh climate. The Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro stands as a symbol of the civilization's architectural sophistication and understanding of public health. This massive, watertight pool was likely used for religious or ceremonial purposes, highlighting the social and religious complexity of Harappan society. Additionally, the existence of granaries suggests a highly organized approach to agriculture and food distribution. Despite the peaceful nature suggested by the lack of militaristic artifacts, Harappan cities were fortified with walls and gates, possibly to protect against floods or enforce control over trade goods entering and leaving the city. The Harappan civilization's management of water resources was far ahead of its time, featuring an advanced drainage and sewage system that would not be rivaled for centuries. Every aspect of the Harappan water management system, from wells to drains, was designed with precision and foresight. The civilization's engineers understood the importance of water for both hygiene and agriculture, implementing systems that ensured the availability and sanitation of water. The covered drainage system is perhaps the most impressive aspect of Harappan hydraulic engineering. Major streets were flanked by covered drains, constructed of brick and lined with bitumen to ensure waterproofing. These drains connected to larger sewage systems, effectively removing wastewater from residential areas and preventing the spread of disease. Community wells were strategically placed throughout the cities, ensuring that every resident had access to fresh water. This decentralized approach minimized the risk of water scarcity and underscored the civilization's commitment to the welfare of its inhabitants. Civilization's contributions to urban planning, architecture, and hydraulic engineering are not merely historical footnotes, they represent significant milestones in the development of human societies. The ingenuity of Harappan urban planners and engineers laid foundational principles that would influence future civilizations across the globe. The technological advancements of the Harappan people, particularly in water management and urban planning, demonstrated an early understanding of environmental engineering and sustainability. These innovations allowed for the support of large populations in urban centers, facilitating the growth of complex societal structures and the specialization of labor. The level of organization required to construct and maintain the cities of the Indus Valley suggests a society that was highly structured and capable of mobilizing vast resources. The absence of apparent kings or queens, combined with the uniformity in housing and public structures, hints at a form of governance that might have been more collective or egalitarian than contemporaneous civilizations. The Harappan civilization was not isolated, it engaged in extensive trade with neighboring regions, including Mesopotamia, Central Asia, and the Arabian Gulf. This exchange of goods, ideas, and technologies played a crucial role in the diffusion of cultural innovations and contributed to the interconnectedness of ancient civilizations. The decline of the Harappan civilization is a subject of much speculation among scholars. Factors such as climate change, river course shifts, and possibly overuse of resources have been proposed as contributing factors. The gradual nature of this decline suggests that the Harappans may have adapted to changing conditions by relocating to more hospitable areas. The rediscovery of the Harappan sites in the 1920s revolutionized the understanding of ancient urban cultures. Excavations at sites like Mohenjo-Daro and Harappa have provided invaluable insights into the civilization's daily life, social organization, and technological achievements. The legacy of the Harappan civilization continues to fascinate archaeologists, historians, and the general public, serving as a testament to the ingenuity of ancient peoples. The Harappan civilization, with its advanced urban planning, sophisticated water supply systems, and impressive architectural achievements, stands as a beacon of ancient innovation and technological progress. Its contributions to the development of human societies are immeasurable, offering lessons in sustainability, urban design, and social organization that remain relevant today. As we reflect on the legacy of the Harappans, we are reminded of the enduring impact of ancient civilizations on the course of human history and the development of the modern world.